Nothing is more valuable to a company than its information. Technological progress has led to an increasing number of threats and vulnerabilities, and companies have had to rise up to the challenge of preserving their information. Today, knowing and assessing risks isn't just a need, it's a strategic issue. But how can we keep information safe? How can we guarantee the confidentiality of the information stored in several different physical and electronic media, and even within people? For 20 years, Modulo Security has helped organizations answer these questions by offering the most complete solutions in information security and risk management. Founded in 1985, Modulo Security is the Latin American market leader in information security and risk management, and has conducted more than 4,000 projects, earning the trust of clients, partners, and the market. Modulo has a nationwide and international presence. Modulo was conceived inside the Federal University of Rio de Janeiro. We were all college students and decided to pool our efforts and put together a software team. Setting up a company was a tough job. It was no picnic, but we really wanted to create and provide new services. When we began dealing with information security, this was not what they used to call it. The term used was data security, since the main protection concern was the security of large computers, the mainframes. And that's when we started to specialize in information security and risk management. In order to achieve its goals, Modulo Security invested in a continuous specialization process. Modulo's permanent concern with excellence in quality standards has resulted in two important achievements. It became Latin America's pioneer company to obtain the BS 7799 certification, the International Information Security Management Standard. The company also received the ISO 9001 certification and has been recertified since 1998. I believe one of our great competitive advantages is that, from the very beginning, we decided to focus on information security and risk management. We started developing security software and building a strong brand. With that, we developed new services and went into the security consulting business. We specialized our employees, trained people, developed competence, skills, systems, processes. This opened the door to the recognition and success we achieve today. Modulo is presently organized into three areas: information security and risk management services, the Checkup Tools software program, and information security education and training. These areas tend to act together as a whole. They are always creating synergy for each other, helping in each other's development. In order to meet and exceed its clients' needs, Modulo offers special consulting services for projects and outsourcing based on the PESI methodology. The company has taken part in highly complex projects which are worldwide references, such as the security of the Brazilian electronic elections, the Brazilian electronic payment system, and Brazil's internet-based delivery of income tax return forms, as well as several projects in all segments. Our work starts when we make the first contact with the client. Actions are usually very customized. We listen to our clients in order to understand what they want before we present our technology. This means we discuss their needs before we make our offer or proposal, and this enhances our work. With the purpose of educating information security managers, Modulo Education Center offers open courses, online courses, in-company training, and several professional certifications, the most important of which is the Modulo Certified Security Officer, MCSO. By means of the Modulo Information Security web portal, The company offers a wide range of information and articles on the subject and maintains an intense dialogue with other professionals in the field. We believe that a segment can only develop and become strong if you create a community. We have a portal with almost 70,000 subscribers, and we also publish a magazine, an educational area, and an online shopping center. This is our relationship with the daily work of information security professionals. In the software industry, Modulo's checkup tool, risk assessment, compliance and knowledge management system provides a simple and innovative means for companies to manage their information security knowledge, to assess corporate risks, and to comply with standards and regulations. Checkup tool has been used in more than 800 projects and has won important awards as Best Security Solution in Latin America, granted by Microsoft in 2004 and 2005. In 2004, it was elected the best security program for banks by the Executivos Financeiros magazine, which focuses on executives in the financial area. And we received the Rio Info Award for the best security software program in 2005. We had to search the market for a risk assessment solution that could assist our work at the Information Security Office. Modulo was called in to help us understand the information security issue and propose solutions. Since risk assessment is a complex activity, we had to make use of a product. We used Checkup Tool. Checkup Tool was the best tool and implementation was really easy. Checkup Tool shapes the process while providing flexibility. From the very start, Modulo has acted as a true partner and has been willing to adapt the tool and make any changes needed. Modulo's partnership model is really interesting. They're always there to help us. Modulo is present every time we need them. Modulo is our partner, our information security branch. Their teams work closely with the agency. This is a real partnership, a solid bond. Today I have a Modulo team inside the executive group where we implement and monitor the police department's information security needs. Besides managing the Information Security Office, they advise us and constantly show us the way, presenting new market practices and showing us how to align with new policies being issued through laws and regulatory agencies. Modulo is a company that makes people think securely, not just act securely. With this, Xerox Corporation has placed us among the #1 Xerox companies in the world regarding the maturity level of our information security. We work with the best technology, with the best in information security consulting. Specialization, solidity, reliability, innovation and experience are some of the concepts that Modulo has harvested along its way. They are also the reasons why the company has been building a continuous success story. Everyone at Modulo, those who have been with us, each client we've had in the past, have now and will have, are a part of these 20 years. And our mission is to become ever more competitive in our technology and develop a complete risk management system based on Checkup Tool. We're sure we can make this dream come true. Information security and risk management are only starting right now. There is actually a great potential we can explore. So I see a great future for Modulo in the next 20 years, that's for sure.